In this video, let's go into the basic for trading cryptocurrency. If you understand this, you are more likely to have more winning trades. Okay, so let's get started. Okay, so here is it. Okay, so as you all know, the basic. Okay, so everything follows Bitcoin. Okay, so after Bitcoin, it's Ethereum next. Okay, so we all have to watch your Bitcoin chart first. Okay, so because this makes the whole market move. If your Bitcoin dumps, the full market dumps. If your Bitcoin pumps, your full market pumps. Okay, so first it's always Bitcoin. Okay, so after Bitcoin it's Ethereum. Okay, and after Ethereum you can say it's AVAX, Polkadot, Solana, and then at last you can say is ADA. Okay, so one is always first is Bitcoin. Everything follows your Bitcoin. Then second you can say is Ethereum, and you can say third is all this. Okay, so right now we all have to watch your Bitcoin chart, and then 100% the next one comes is Ethereum. And Ethereum and Bitcoin, the relation is if Bitcoin pumps 2%, you know your Ethereum is going to pump even more, like 3%. And for your AVAX, Polkadot, Cardano and Solana, some of them pumps, some of them don't pump. They just give a small pump. Okay, and then after the third one you can say is your small cap coins and all called. Okay, so it becomes tough to predict them, but more likely it's easy to predict your, after watching your Bitcoin it's easy, you can predict your Ethereum, and after this it kind of lags very far. Okay, so I'll show you what I meant in the chart. Okay, so now let's go straight to your chart and show you. Okay, so right now we are on your Bitcoin chart, and right now I want to show you the moves that I bet. Okay, because if you understand this, you'll able to trade your leverage also more better, and even your spot trading you're able to trade better. Okay, so right now you can see this, right? You can see this major pump that just happened right here, this big pump. You can see this big pump we are talking about. Okay, you can see this pump. Okay, it right now it happened on, you can see it right here. I'll take this. Okay, so it happened on 20th June. Okay, so remember this pump happened on 20th June. Okay, and it ended all the way, you can say, to this wick. You can see, right, it ended around $30,000, $821. Okay, so the highest it went, and from there, so from 20th June, okay, it went. So now let's go into your Ethereum chart and see exactly what it did. Okay, so on 20th June, which is around here. Okay, so on 20th June, which is here, the pump happened, and your Ethereum pump from here to around $1,919.32. Okay, so it pumped from here to here. Okay, so that's a big pump. Okay, so now let's go straight again to your Bitcoin, and let's show you some another example also what I meant. Your Bitcoin lags, your Bitcoin pumps, and then it same thing happens to your Ethereum. Okay, so right now you know your Bitcoin over here was just ranging from around, you can say, if you draw a trend line between this and this, you can say from $30,000 to around $29,869.03. Okay, so right now you know your Bitcoin was ranging from here to here, right? Okay, so now let's check on your Ethereum chart and see the same thing. Okay, the same result we are going to watch. Okay, so right now on your Ethereum chart, you can say it was ranging from your Bitcoin, sorry, your Ethereum was ranging from here to around $1,919 to around here, you can see around $1,868. Okay, so right now what we are seeing is we are seeing the pumps. Okay, so from here it goes to here, from here to here, from here to here. Okay, then from here to here. Okay, so it's just pumping that big pumps. Even this one you can see, right, this pump was a big pump. Okay, so if anyone is watching your Bitcoin chart and then your Ethereum chart, you see where it's going for a Bitcoin chart, and the same thing your Ethereum will do. Okay, so now let's go into other layer ones like your AVAX, ADA and DOT, and see exactly where they also go. Okay, so you'll need to watch this. Okay, so right now this is your AVAX chart, and you all know that Bitcoin had a massive pump right on 20th June, which is around here. Okay, so right now here's your 20th June. Your AVAX also pumped from 20th June. It went same way to all the way to around $12.50 $12 per 94 cents, you can say. And you know, your the same after that your Bitcoin started to range. Your AVAX ranging was from here to here, from here to here, from here to here. Okay, so you can say that your AVAX is ranging quite well, right? But it's not that much as your Ethereum. You know, your Ethereum went so far. Okay, so now let's go into your next layer one, which is your dot. Okay, so right now your dot is here, and right now let's see where its 20th June is. So your dot is here, your 20th June is from here, and it went all the way to here, you can see, at around $4.99 Okay, so you see that the pump is just varying, right? Very small pump for a dot. AVAX was a little bit big, and then for a ranging of your dot is here, from here to here, then here to here, from here to here, then again from here when it went on downtrend to here. Okay, so you can see that the ranging of your dot is coming little bit even lower. And now let's go to your next one and see that also. Okay, so Solana is even more lower. Okay, so if you see your 20th June for your Solana is here, exactly here. 20th June is from here. So your Solana right here, 20th June, it found from here to, you can say, to here at around $17.55, and your ranging is from here to here, then here to here. Okay, so now you know, you can see that the pump is even going lower. And now we go into your Cardano. Okay, the last chart. Okay, so now you see your Cardano. Okay, your Cardano 20th June is from here. Okay, so from here it formed to 0.30 cents. Okay, right here, and you can see the ranging is so small, from here to here to here when a Bitcoin was ranging. Okay, so yeah, exactly seeing as you go lower, the more probability of predicting whether it goes high. And you can see that suddenly pumps massively, right, with your Bitcoin. Okay, so it's difficult to predict this as you go down and down. So when you're trading, right, so the thing of this video is when you're trading, you see your Bitcoin, and the max you can see is your Ethereum. And then right now we've seen that you can even go, you can see your Bitcoin where it's going, and then you can go even for your AVAX, or you can even go to your dot. Okay, so the main thing is you need to see your Bitcoin, and then the other chart which you're seeing for me is Ethereum. Okay, so for y'all it can be your dot. Bitcoin, you watch Bitcoin, and then you can put trades on dot. Okay, so and then we watch our Bitcoin, and then we can put on Solana. But as you go further down your micro caps, and that it kind of becomes tough to break. Sometimes it doesn't even pump. You understood, right? You see with your ADA, your ADA was in the bottom. See, it hardly means it pumped. It gave that pump, but when it was ranging, it was not giving that pump, and then suddenly it pumps. So it kind of becomes difficult to predict these moves. Okay, so if when you're trading, we watch your Bitcoin first chart, and then for me it will be my Ethereum chart. Okay, so right now on 20th June, right, on 20th June, I seen that Bitcoin was going to pump. I realized with the triangular pattern over here, right here, this trade I didn't put it on Bitcoin, because as you know, Bitcoin is around $30,000. Even if you trade that, some of you don't even have that money, right? So more likely to have the money of Ethereum, which your Ethereum is like 100 times lesser than your Bitcoin, right? So you can trade your Ethereum. So as you go to the curve, so your Bitcoin, Ethereum, then all your L1s, it kind of becomes lower. It becomes lower to predict your even more micro caps and all, and it's tough to predict that big pumps that the micro caps produce, right? So if you want your constant gain, you just focus on one chart. Now it will be your Bitcoin, you watch where it goes, and then you go say you're taking your dot, I'll see your dot, or AVAX, and Solana you can take. But your Cardano, it kind of becomes even more further, it becomes difficult to predict. That's what I meant. Okay, so right now I'll show you this. On 20th June it pumped here, and for my, like, I take Ethereum chart, which is right here. Okay, so right now I put it there. Right now see the 20th June, right here I predict that Bitcoin was going up. It was kind of giving a bullish pattern with this triangular thing, right? With this triangular thing, kind of giving bullish. So on your Ethereum chart also, I put a long position right here, and it went from here to here, right? Imagine if if I was not taking Ethereum, if I was not focusing on one chart, which is my Ethereum, if I was taking say a dot, so say Cardano, ADA, the last one, okay, from here I was taking the range, it moved from here to here, okay, so it's not that big range as your Ethereum and AVAX, right? So remember, if you go more lower, the more it's kind of become riskier that it will pump, or it might not even follow Bitcoin. Okay, so that's it for your crypto video. If you like content like this, right, just hit the like button, so I know you all want videos like this. Okay, so peace out, crypto fam.